the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, skid plates, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information